This is Martin Lappin, owner here at Alternative Heating Solutions. For anybody that's been wondering if they can actually run a gasifying stove or not, I was gone for 2 days to New York on a little fact-finding mission. So my wife got a crash course on how to run one of these Friday morning in about 10 minutes at 5 a.m. before I left. Saturday morning she texted me and she underfilled it Friday night. Had nozzle showing, just a few coals. So she went out to the wood pile and found a bunch of kindling, and she got it going herself again Saturday morning. And like I said, she's never run a boiler before. We've had one of these since 2015 and a conventional for 15 years before that, and she's never put wood in it. So she got it going Saturday morning by herself. Put wood in it again last night about 6. And when I got home at 10:30, I didn't have to mess with it. So it's been 18 hours since she put any in it. And this is what we have. So yeah, she overfilled it a little bit, but we'll give that to her on your second day. So if you've been thinking about getting a gasifying stove and worried about how hard they might be to run, they aren't. Even my wife can do it. Kudos to Tammy Lappin for figuring this out on her own.